Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to safely remove Ubuntu Linux from a dual boot setup with Windows. If you've installed Ubuntu alongside Windows but now want to get rid of it without messing up your Windows installation, stick around, I'll guide you step by step. Before we start, I recommend backing up your important files, especially if they're on the Ubuntu partition. Once we delete Ubuntu, that data is gone for good. To get started, open the Disk Management tool. Locate the Ubuntu partitions. They usually just say Healthy Primary Partition and no NTFS is on the label. Let me create a partition on this unallocated space and you will see the difference. As you can see, one created by Windows will have NTFS. You can also use the command line to check. If the type says unknown, then it is most likely a Linux partition. Right-click each Ubuntu partition and select Delete Volume. Once deleted, the space will show up as unallocated. Now right-click on your main Windows partition, usually the C drive, and choose Extend Volume. Follow the wizard and Windows will take up that unallocated space. That's it. Ubuntu is gone from your disk. But wait, if you restart now, you'll still see the grub menu or your system might not boot correctly. Let's fix that. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type this command and hit Enter. You'll see a list of boot entries including Ubuntu. To remove Ubuntu from the boot menu, run this command. Replace bootloader ID with the actual GUID for Ubuntu. Let us now delete Ubuntu files from E5 partition. The E5 partition is mostly a FAT32 partition. If you're not sure, open Disk Management and check the partition size and compare. Assign the partition a drive letter. You'll see folders like Microsoft, Boot, maybe Ubuntu. Delete the Ubuntu folder. Now Ubuntu boot entries and EFI files are fully removed. Your PC should boot directly into Windows without grub or Ubuntu traces. And that's it. You've successfully removed Ubuntu Linux from your dual boot with Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.